God planted to a special tree. Yan o, yan. Puno. The tree of life and the tree of knowledge of good and evil. God commanded the man to a tree, eat from any tree in the garden, but you must not eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. For a while, Adam obeyed God. Sabi, bawal daw kainin. Ba't bawal? Bawal. Kasi yan yung fruit ng kaalaman. And then, Adam